Hello and welcome. In today's video, I would like to introduce the fully funded international program in public health leadership, or the IPPHL, which is hosted by the Evans School of Public Policy and Governance at the University of Washington here in the United States. This unique 8-month program is designed for emerging public health leaders who are working closely with their ministries of health in Africa, and the purpose really is to expand their policy and leadership acumen to develop and implement lasting solutions that can transform health systems across the continent. Since its launch in the year 2017, the IPPHL program has already graduated 192 public health professionals from 33 African countries. And these fellows have come from diverse backgrounds, including being infectious disease experts to health economists. And these have formed a community that is committed to improving national health outcomes. The program has been made possible by the generous funding from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in conjunction with the Center for Creative Leadership at the Evans School of Public Policy and Governance at Washington University here in the United States. Program highlights. So the program usually lasts 8 months, and for the case of 2026, this is going to be from February to September 2026, and usually has blended format in terms of delivery of instructions, and so comprising of self-paced online modules, live virtual sessions, and 2 in-person residencies, with one happening in Africa and another one happening in the United States in Washington. And so participants also receive one-on-one executive coaching, mentorship from University of Washington, faculty advisors, and access to extensive alumni network. Now, the biggest question that one may ask is, who qualifies for this particular program? One, you must be a citizen and resident of an African country, working in or closely with a Ministry of Health or government affiliated health entity, hold supervisory responsibilities for public health policies or programs, and possess a degree in public health, medicine, or a related field, and you must demonstrate strong English proficiency. You may wish to note that full-time PhD students and those employed solely by international non-government organizations or the private sector are not eligible for this particular program. The last question then is, are you that candidate that they are looking for this particular program? If so, then you need to progress to the next step, which is to submit an application on the IPPHL website. And to complete that application, you will need to complete an online application form. And within there, you will find that you'll be required to write 3 short essays on your leadership experience, a current policy challenge that you are tackling, and your future career goals. You may also be required to submit a statement of release from your supervisor confirming support for your full program commitment, and one letter of recommendation from an employer highlighting your leadership potential. And all these materials need to be submitted by 11:59 p.m. GMT on August 5th, 2025. All the best with your application. Thank you very much for watching this video.